What's up, guys? How are you all doing today? Yeah, it's your guy, the BETONG. Oh boy, what an amazing weekend! It's like, oh, I'm hearing myself. Okay, I take off that shit, guys. Anyways, how are you all doing? How are you all doing? You're welcome, 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 welcome. Let's look at the markets. Let's look at the coins that we're going to be buying this week. The market has been in blood somehow. Of course, guys, the way we analyze the market, the way we trade, we are not scared of blood in the market. Instead, when we see blood in the market, we are happy that we have seen an opportunity to mint, print, or mine more Bitcoin, trading altcoins. I can see how many people are there. Let's see those who are here with me, guys. Let me know where you are watching from, so we can all enjoy um our nations. Yeah, just let me know where you're watching from, so I can know where you guys are at this point in time. It's a beautiful Sunday. Let's look at different stuff going on in the market. Let's see where Bitcoin is. Let's see which other altcoins are there for us to make some profit this week. We're gonna look on the daily time frames. We're gonna look at the liquidation map. We're gonna look at, maybe if we have time, look at the book map. There are a couple of stuff we're gonna look at to give us that opportunity to see which project we can accumulate right now, and also looking at most of the coins that we are investing in. It's gonna help us to know if, say, we're gonna buy them as well or not. So yeah, let's do that. But before we dive into the juicy part of today's show, smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Actually, guys, I think there could be a trade going on, like that is about to take place here with, I think, ApeCoin. Let me see if, say, I can bring ApeCoin here as soon as possible. Before I do bring ApeCoin, guys, go and follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter. Go follow me on Twitter. It's very important. I share stuff every now and then. Go and follow me on Twitter. This is it, the BETONG. Go and follow me there. Now, let's bring in ApeCoin. I've been seeing some stuff recently with ApeCoin. I think, let's see what's going on with ApeCoin. Let's check on this with Bybit. I think, okay, we have seen an upside movement, after this, a long downward movement here. And I think we are about to see some sort of recovery. Because you see, I put this Fibonacci retracement tool here. Let me see. Yeah, and this is an area where, if, say, we're going to see a quick continuation of the market to the upside, price will always respect this first level, and this is the 0.38 level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. And if say price have to really retrace to get back to like reset, before we can see more upside, then this is gonna be the area where price is gonna reset to. That's gonna be the golden pocket. Now looking at the golden pocket, and this is the 5-minute time frame that I'm looking at, guys. I think we still have more upside for this coin, like more recovery. And I'm looking at this 800-day moving average for ApeCoin. That's gonna be an interesting area that we can see price spike right away too. So if say you are holding ApeCoin, if say you are part of my community and you are holding this bad boy, then maybe you can start looking at ways to accumulate more, to offset the losses that you have made. I think I'm gonna place a trade here. Let me see. If I place a trade here, let me see which area I'm gonna want to. Do I have any money on Bybit? Let's see. Say I have some money on Bybit. Bybit. Let me see how much I got here on Bybit. $179. So let's see if it's $179. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, let me see. I want to place a trade here, guys, live. Then we're gonna check on the trade, as we go on this live. And I'm gonna use 2x leverage. I'm not gonna, play with. I don't play much with leverage. So let me see. Let me do this and see where I'm gonna put my profit and take out stop loss. Let me see. Do this. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss directly below 1.3690. 1.3690. Let's see. Guys, sure that I don't trade. I don't trade spot. 1.3690. And that's gonna be how much? Oh, no, first of all, let me just put everything. I'm gonna buy this with everything. So I'm gonna long this. Price. Is it 1.36? Is this ApeCoin? Yeah, this is ApeCoin. Let's go back to the charts. Let's see. Is this ApeCoin? Yeah, this is ApeCoin. So 13679. Yeah, 13685. So that is a stop loss. 13685. But they're telling me that may be liquidated before execution. Let me see. Let me just put 137. 1.37. Oh, they are still saying the same thing. Stop loss price is lower than the liquidation price. I don't know what they mean to say like that. Let me see. Guys, I'm trying to place this. Yeah, if I'm opening a long, let me put it before I open a long. I have, let me just open the long right now first before I can go and put the stop loss. Yeah, let me just put it 1.3737. Okay, yeah, this is I got it. Then the take profit. Let's go to check out where I can take out profit. Let's see. The target is gonna be yes, so I'm gonna just leave the trade as it is. If I see it hit this, anytime it hits this, I'm gonna take out profit. But if I see that it hit with strength and there's not enough pullback, then I'm just gonna like leave it the way it is. But I think there's something interesting here. Let me do this to see a proper target. Let me do this. Let me put the tickets from here to here. Let me see. Actually, this is wow. This is an area of interest. Wow, this is respecting itself. I love to look, like, guys. You can see. Imagine I put this Fibonacci retracement. You can see exactly where price reacted. This is it. if say you would have drawn this, then you would have known that if say this is gonna be a reversal, this is gonna be the first area you take out profit, and if say there's pullback and price hold around this area, then the next zone is this. So I'm gonna just respect this and take the profit at 1.4, but that's gonna be gonna be small, so I'm not gonna take out profit there. I want to go to a higher target to see if say I can take out profit from like following the higher target. That target is not what I want to focus on right now. So let me look at this on the higher time frame to see. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame to see where I can take out profit looking at this. So I'm gonna just pull this Fibonacci retracement tool from the top, yeah, to the bottom, yeah, and this is gonna be the first area of interest, 4.42, but it's gonna be my target. That's gonna be let me say 4.47, or let me just say 4.50, yeah, that's gonna be my target. Let me see what happens. Right. I thought I had some more money on Bybit to do this. Oh, I would have put about maybe $500 trade there. Let me see. Take out profit should be 1.50. That's $32. So I'm risking 1.7967 of my portfolio to make $32. If that happens, then happy days for me. All right, okay, let's go. Let's just get into the TA for today. First, guys, let's look at Bitcoin. What's going on with the Big Daddy? You guys cannot see my cam. I think I am Let me bring in the chat so I can see what you guys have been saying there. If we have some awesome people with us. Let's see. Let me bring the chat here. If I can see some awesome people here with me. Let me also look at my phone. I can see Trade Intuition is the first time here. Looking forward to your live stream also. Stop. Trade with the bear. Smash the like button. Thanks so much. Trade Intuition. Go Georgia. Oh, from Georgia, the United States of America. That's awesome. All right, guys, this week I want to give you guys some offers and get ready to share with me some of the altcoins that you are buying or you want me to do TA on. I'm just gonna give you guys the coins that I think actually can make. One of the coin, guys, is actually ApeCoin. Yeah, this is ApeCoin. So trust me, you want to buy ApeCoin. Of course, it's not financial advice. Don't take my words. Well, you've seen me, but place buy order that's 2x leverage, and I'm risking about, I think, 1% of my portfolio. No, not up to 1%. Let me see how many percent that is, so we can see exactly how much I'm risking. And this is my stop loss is so tight. If say this is gonna be a thing, I'm gonna bring this a little bit. It's so close bang there. So let me bring it a little bit down. Yeah, I think this is better. So if this is gonna be the low, like the retracement from this pump, then price don't have to come back there. And even if price come back there, price have to, maybe like not break this other structure. You can see price has already formed. Let me go to before I even go, let me just what I wanted to show you guys here first before I explain to you guys why I took the trade now. So how many am I risking? I'm risking 1.1% of my portfolio, yeah, 1.1%. And if that's the case, it's gonna be awesome. Now, and I'm just using what I have there is not up to $20. It's just $180. Yeah, not up to $20. So yeah, let's see. Now let me go to this and I'll tell you guys why I decided to place this trade. Now we have seen this downward movement. You can see moving. This is the 5-minute time frame. Price has been moving downward, and ever since the alpha trend printed a sell signal, yeah, price has been moving below the alpha trend and also the 50-day moving average. You can see price has been moving below. Now price break this, and this area, if say you follow my show, this the BETONG moving average is acting as an area of resistance right now, right? And for us to actually confirm the trade based on how I trade, actually, we have to see price break, stay above, and come back and hold the zone. But now, I've seen that price was moving below this moving average, so I'm trying something new with the way I trade. I'm trying to take trades when price is holding or is above the 50-day moving average on the lower time frame, like the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 50 minutes time frame. So looking at this case, even though the trend dealer has printed a sell signal, we have seen that price has been holding, in this range, and after this dip, price have now gone to this area. Now looking at also the higher time frame, I can see that price has been, attempting to break or be above this 50-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame, and also the trend, the alpha trend has printed a buy signal here. And after this buy signal, I've seen a reversal, and it held above the alpha trend. So I'm bullish because price now is about to be above the 50-day moving average, the 50-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame, and also above the trend below. Now, this is gonna be the area of interest, the target. The better moving average is resistance level here, and this resistance level is gonna be around. Let's see, and if say I have to even pull the Fibonacci retracement, so I think it's gonna be exactly what I mentioned. The first area that I said no, is gonna be a small profit for me to take, because I think the project is gonna keep on going more to the upside. If say Bitcoin does what Bitcoin is gonna do, I think we're gonna see massive upside for Bitcoin. So you can see putting the Fibonacci retracement tool right now. I think we have to see price break this, even though price is holding there. But I think price should break it and make its way right up towards the golden pocket. And this is gonna be exactly the area here, and that's gonna be 1.40. If say you wanna do this, guys, this is gonna be your first take profit. Anyways, if you wanna buy right now and put a tight stop loss. If say the reason why is my stop loss is around 1.7, 1.37 is because if price close below the alpha trend, then guys, I think we are gonna go down, maybe make lower low. So that's the reason why I got this. Now, also why you should get this coin is because, like you can see, I consider this area as the bottom for ApeCoin. This is the bottom for ApeCoin. And ApeCoin, knowing what it is, more of the NFT, area, gaming, all this good stuff. I think where price is right now, price has attempted to, actually come back to this area. You can see this week here and the buyback. So where price is right now, I think the next area that price is going to go is to the upside. And also, I think price is forming this. Let me show you guys this. Price is doing this. I drew this trend line here. I think I'm not able to get that here. Let me see if I can get this on that chart. On this, no. Let's check on Binance. Did I do this on Binance? No. Let's check on this on Bybit. Okay, let me just do this. So you can see if I draw this, there's gonna be a trend line here. You can see. So I want to see price respect that trend line. And if price do respect this trend line, then it's gonna be an amazing opportunity for us to accumulate. So this is the reason why you see me buying ApeCoin right now and saying that that profit is small, and I'm targeting 1.5, which is reasonable, right? Looking at the daily time frame, and if so, we also look at the trend below. The trend below is below, and price is almost at this area, like to break out, to the upside on the daily time frame. So price is around this middle, which is 0.00, and I think if say we price break above, then we're gonna see more price, like upward movement, right? But looking at this, you can see we are forming multiple divergence here, and price is holding this area. So that's one of the reasons why you see me being bullish on ApeCoin. So I would say ApeCoin is one of my coin this week. This week, yeah. And I think we're gonna um, come to Bitcoin. But before we go to Bitcoin, let's first of all look at also Baby Dogecoin. I talk about Baby Dogecoin today. I share in my group, what I think of Baby Dogecoin. But let's take out the alpha trend. I think it's not working well with Baby Dogecoin. Let me refresh this and let's zoom out to see what we got here. Now, before, like, okay, this is the daily time frame for Baby Dogecoin. All right. And looking at these guys, it's almost similar. This is one of the coins that have been pumped alongside ApeCoin or Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin have been doing so well and other altcoins, but we haven't seen a Baby Dogecoin, ApeCoin, and I think this trend line is gonna respect itself. You can see, it's gonna respect itself, and the next area we're gonna see price goes to the upside. Now, the reason why I'm accumulating right now is because price have left this zone, yeah. And if price is gonna come back there, then price is gonna form a divergence somehow. Then I can accumulate even more, knowing that the next spike is gonna be boom to the POC. Now let me do this properly. Let me withdraw this. Let me bring in this volume profile here, so we can see like what actually is going on here with price. Let me bring in the volume profile to give me a clue like what is going on here with price. Now, looking at these areas here, I think that if we're gonna say a spike of Baby Dogecoin, then the target is gonna be this point of control here. It's gonna be how many percent from where it is right now. I already did a video on that. I think we're gonna see this go right about 14%. Then maybe the last target is gonna be the value area high. It's gonna be about 37%. So we can see this coin in one day pump about 40%. Back to that area. How these meme coins are, and I think maybe Dogecoin is also one of those meme coins that have a huge community on Twitter. They have a good like some good use cases, maybe those swap, good stuff going on with the community. So I think like looking at where price is right now, when you are making some profit from your coins, right? You can be buying this bad boy, and buying it is also a good thing, because if those other coins that have pumped want to really plunge downward, those coins won't plunge that much. It will just fall a little bit, about, let's say, let me see how many percent if when Bitcoin is going to 35,000. You can see this coin maybe go right down to about 10%. Yeah, 10%. That's not bad. You can buy back from there and it's gonna bounce back, boom. Right. So I think the downside is not that much anymore, but the upside is amazing, right, for this coin. Now, looking at another coin that I want us to focus on this week, this is Chirpley. Chirpley has pumped, but Chirpley has been holding so tight. And guys, this coin, again, people who follow me, they know like the coins I share on my platform, you have to like, it will make you money, no doubt. Like, it will make you money if you follow the rules of how to go about it. Now, this is the daily time frame for this coin, and I've mentioned a couple of times that this coin is in an uptrend, provided it is holding this zone here, this area, yeah. And you can see it has been holding this area for a long time after the huge pump. Now, price has pumped and make higher highs on the daily time frame. Now, let's go back and see what price has been doing on the, like, this is a trending market, right? And you can see price pump, price retrace, it pump, it pump, it retrace, it pump, it retrace, it pump, it retrace, pump, retrace, pump. Now we're gonna see another retracement. The question is, how far for retracement we're gonna see? But on the bigger picture, I always love to pull the volume profile, to give me an area of interest. Like, if the worst case scenario comes to play, what might happen with Chirpley? Like, even like if we are buying Chirpley now, which I know I'm not gonna recommend for you to buy Chirpley now, like now, Of course, I'm going to tell you why. But I think it's a coin that you're going to keep your eyes on this week to make some profit, somehow. And I think why I don't want you to buy it now is because I see that whenever price makes a move above this value area high, price always retrace back somehow down, So in this case, I'm hoping that price, retrace back to this 13-day moving average around this area here, before we can see, or maybe come right down to this area to recover all these vector candles, right? Or we can see you can see each time price print this green vector candles, price always come to recover everything, price printed, recover everything, printed. Now I think price recover it again before we can see another spike in the upside, and this is gonna be almost closer to the 50-day moving average, which is an important area of interest whenever I'm trading any coins out there. So I think that's the moment you're gonna buy Chirpley, and we can see this happen this week. And the upside for Chirpley is amazing, looking at the fact that it has canceled 1-0 already. So we can see this coin go right up to 1 cent in no time. Imagine the gains you can make to see the coin go to 1 cent. And if this coin can go to 1 cent before the bull market, like official, of course I know we are in the bull market already, but I mean, like, before the hype, we see more retail investors come on board, I think we can see this coin get to $1. And I want to shock you guys right now, like make you guys hype a little bit, to see this. Let me show you guys the market cap of this coin, Chirpley. Let me show you guys their market cap and also their rank in the crypto space, and I'm gonna go through this together. But there's one concern I have here. I'm gonna explain to you guys what concern I have for this coin. That's why I don't really hold it that long term. I trade it, but I always have some Chirpley to give me a signal of what is going on in the market. Right. So let me show you guys something here. What did I want to show you? Okay. The rank of this coin is like around the 1,500 coins, right? It was around the 2,000 coin, but it has made its way to the 1,494 coin according to CoinGecko. Now you can see also that the market cap is 5.29. Let me just say 5 million. That's small. We're looking at big guys like Avalanche, this Ethereum. And now these guys have a market cap of like billions. Imagine that this coin is able to get to 1 billion market cap. If this coin is able to get to 1 billion market cap, right, then what would be the price? What would be the price if, say, you get to 1 billion? That's gonna be I don't have my profit calculator right now. I will have done this, but I think the question I want to ask is it possible for Chirpley to actually get to $1 billion market cap? We are seeing just only 5 million. Yeah, this is only 5 million, and the volume is not that much. It's only about how much? 898,000. This is nothing, right? And look at the fully diluted market cap. This is nothing. And for us to calculate the market cap, we have to divide current price and security supply. So to total market cap value of security supply, it is similar to stock measurements. We have to divide the price, like the market cap, by the price. Sorry, the price of the market cap. I think something like that. That's what they say here. Let me go to Coinmarketcap. It explains that more better. Let me just check on Chirpley here. Guys, I have a site that I usually check on, but on this is different. I think on Coinmarketcap the data here is somehow different. When I look at the volume, is it's about 938,000, and the volume, the market cap here is about 4 million, not up to 5 million as it is on CoinGecko. And the security supply is verified, and also we have, let's see, market cap, total market value of the cryptocurrency circulating supply it is analogous to the free float capitalization in the stock market cap plus current price. All right, so the market cap plus the current price plus security supply. Okay, so looking at this now, it tells me that the upside for this coin is pretty awesome. All right, it's awesome. Imagine that we see a coin like this get to $1 billion market cap. Right, that's gonna push the price up to maybe $1, right? And yeah, and that's gonna be awesome. Imagine that you are able to buy how many thousand? Let's go to this right now. Let's say you're able to buy like $1,000 right now. Let me not say what. Let me say $100. $100 is too much. $100. Yeah, you're able to get about 99.54. So for you to get this, and if the price gets to $1, like right now, if say the price go to $1, then you're gonna get this amount. That's almost $10,000 if the price get to $1, and that's gonna be about how many X? That's so much, right? But can it happen? Yeah, it can happen. So coin like this, in the AI space, still developing, still building the technology. I think the upside for the coin is somehow amazing. So that's why I love Chirpley so much. I love Chirpley. I'm just trading the coin. And another coin I want you guys to look at here is but before I go there, I said I'm going to show you guys why I'm concerned about this coin. Okay, now you can see here that the max supply is 1 billion, right? It's 1 billion. Now the total supply is 1 billion. That means there wouldn't be more than 1 billion of these coins, right? And what they have in total supply is going to be 1 billion. Now, out of this total supply, you can see here that only about 519 million is in circulation out of billion, right? Only this is in circulation. Okay, that's not good, guys. I don't actually know. I think I can check this. Let me just go to the blockchain right now to see those who are actually holding this coin. Let me go to the blockchain right now. I think I can check on this as soon as possible. Let me copy this right now and take it to all the blockchains so I can see Chirpley token BSC scan. Yep. Let's see how many holders they have right now. Okay. Let's see. So my Siri is talking. Siri always want to talk with me. Okay, I'm not able to see this. Let's see. Let me just go to Chirpley right now. Okay, holders, they have about 7,448 holders. This is almost similar to TRB coin. Now I'm looking at the holders. Let me see the top holders. The top holders, Mexico Global is part of the top holders. Which wallet is this? I don't know which wallet is this. It has 40%. I don't have time to go check on this wallet, but you can see the second highest holder is Mexico Global, which is an exchange, which is okay. Bybit Hot Wallet also have 3.5. But I can maybe do all this. And okay, guys, they also have a null address. And this null address have 1%. I don't know how much is that 1%. That's about 100. This is like a burn wallet. I think it's like a burn wallet. It has 10,000. So maybe they are burning this coin somehow. But I think maybe Mexi, this might be a wallet for. Okay, this is Bybit. Bybit is holding just 3%. I know. You can buy this on Bybit. So Bybit is not the main holder, So let's see, Mexi holds so much of this coin. Which wallet is this? I don't have time to go and check out actually which wallet is this. Maybe I want to check it out later. But I think if say this wallet is like a whale, if say it's not a team that is holding, because you can see this wallet holds almost the supply that I'm talking about. If this is not the team, then if it's just like someone else, maybe that's gonna be a problem. But if it's a team, I think it might make sense, right? But they can gonna be dumping it on us anyway who are holding. So if the price goes up, we want to take out some profit, because the team can dump a little bit to not like dump it, but they can cash it out to keep building the project, which is good, no doubt. But of course, I'm just trying to say that you can take advantage of it. When the supply gets to the market, you can. But when the supply gets to the market, price somehow plunge downward, and if the price does that, you want to take advantage of it and make some profit out of it. So I think that's something pretty awesome with this project now. So let's leave the blockchain right now. Now let's get to. No, I'm gonna come to Bitcoin a little bit. Let's just keep on doing this altcoin stuff. Another coin I want us to look at right now is Luna, not the Luna, the Duquan. But this Luna, you can get it from Mexi Global. If you want to get this from Mexi Global, guys, use my link below. I'm an affiliate to Mexi, and gonna be a way also to help this platform. But guys, I don't actually really trust Mexi that much. I think the platform I trust that much is Bybit and OKX. I'm an official affiliate, partner to Bybit and OKX. I'm just using Mexi because there are some coins that I really love, and I can get it only from Mexi, like this Luna token. I can get this coin only from Mexi right now. I don't love get.io. But now let me show you guys what I want to show you guys. This coin is one of my main Bitcoin minter, or let me say Bitcoin minting zone. This coin has helped me mint so much Bitcoin, like print so much Bitcoin. I love the coin so much because the coin never fails me, and I'm gonna keep doing this, right, so I can bring to you guys something really amazing here, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. So you can see here, this coin, really, like, the upside is amazing. Looking at where it is, so I want to say that where price is right now, we have gotten to the bottom of this coin, and the next area we're gonna see is more upside for this coin, and the upside for this coin is amazing. Imagine that, guys. Bitcoin is about to make, let's say, get to $50, right, per Bitcoin. But this coin haven't yet pumped. Like, I've watched this coin pump about, let's say, 10x in 1 week. This coin, 10x in 1 week, like in 1 week. But now let's just assume that Bitcoin is gonna do well, but this coin won't pump. If Bitcoin keep doing well, this coin won't pump. But I want to see Bitcoin do bad. I want to see Bitcoin get to 38K. This coin will pump like hellfire. And we are looking at, well, if it gets back to this zone here, we're looking at about 10x now, like 10x. Now let's just go to Coinmarketcap. Oh, it's on Coin Gecko. Let's check on Luna. Luna token. Not this Luna token. Yeah, this one, guys. This is LUNR, not the Luna Duquan, the scam coin. This is not that one. And I want to show you guys that this coin is for the year is down 57%, right? So let's go to the max. Let's see. But the max is still the same. You can see from the top of it, $14. This coin is right down to almost zero. Now, this coin is more of a social media AI project. They are there building a platform for creators, small creators, who don't like. I'm a small creator. I'm a small creator. So the platform is for people like us who don't have so much following on social media. We don't have so much subscribers on YouTube. So they are helping us, people like us, be outstanding in this world that there are so many creators with huge account or huge following that are getting most of the sponsorship deals. So they are actually helping these small influencers get deals, get marketing deals, promote, use their platforms to promote stuff on Twitter, Telegram, and other platforms. So this basically is what they are focusing on with their platform, right? And I think looking at the fact that they are what they are today, I think they have a long way to go. And if say we look at the project on let's see Luna token, you can see Luna token, you know, it's their like they have 50K, and even though they are not like, I think they don't have like really good marketing, but I think to an extent they are um um am I talking about Luna token? Guys, I'm sorry. I've been talking about Chirpley instead of like I've been giving you guys analysis on Chirpley on like I'm now is I'm now going off. I've been analyzing Chirpley. That's how much Chirpley is in my veins. I've been analyzing. I'm using the fundamentals of Chirpley to analyze Luna token. Actually, guys, Luna token is an analytic platform. So they are more of analyzing my market data, looking at what is going on in the market, looking at coins that can pump. So they have a different metrics. Let's just go to their platform so I can show you what they actually do, like the Luna Crush platform. They are just more of market data, analyzing the market. You can discover coins, you can look at what is going on in the market, you can check on some more stuff in stocks as well. So they have lots of stuff going on within their platform. So they are more of data and analytics in the crypto space, like social data analytics. They focus on Twitter data. They focus also on YouTube data of projects that are about to bomb, that are new, that are old. They are more of a data centric platform. That's why I think they're gonna be here for a long time, guys. I'm sorry for the mix up. Analyzing Chirpley with Luna. Now let's go to the chart of Luna. So let's see what this bad boy is doing on the lower time frame. All right, we have seen this huge spike, and price have come back to the value area low. And whenever we see price, or I see price based on this like the rule of the volume profile, the fixed volume profile, when price gets to the value area low, it's an area where you can start looking for a buy opportunity, particularly in the higher time frame. Like we are in the 4 hours time frame right now. So that's why I think this coin is a buy for this week. Of course, guys, this is not financial advice, it's a risky coin. That's why we are focusing on this coin based on what will happen with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is not going to do that much this week, then this coin will do much. If Bitcoin is pumping, this coin will be stagnant. It won't do anything. That's why I love the coin. At times, I look at the coin as a stable coin, right? And if we look at this, you can see this divergence here, which is awesome. And price is making a way to the upside. This is a trendy low that I'm showing you right now. So I think this is it. Okay, now let's go now to the big daddy, the daddy of the day. Let's begin with the 24 hours for Bitcoin. And this is gonna be amazing, guys, for you to see the areas where we can expect price to go. Now this is gonna be twofold. The one of the zone that we can see price go within the next 24 hours is 426 stars for the $2,641. Right, but the area where I think really we can drive price towards is gonna be around this, back to this 3,500. I think this is gonna be an area where price is gonna get to. And then if we look at the weekly time frame, let's just look at like what we might expect this week. I think looking at the data for this week, we can get to about 44,000 or above 44,000 for Bitcoin. Now this is the data for this week. So this is going to be also the same thing for today. And now looking at if say price break above 43,500, then we're gonna see price spike right up towards 44,000 or maybe even 45,000. You can see there's not much data here, like others here above 44,000. So we can see price spike right up to 45,000 per Bitcoin. Now let's look at the monthly time frame to see. Okay, if say Bitcoin can make higher, like bigger moves this month, because it's very important, guys. We look at price in different angles, what Bitcoin can do. And guys, looking even at the monthly time frame, it's the same scenario. Like looking at where price is, after, if price is not able to hold this area here, this $42,000 area, that's from 42,672 area. Price should be bouncing from that zone if price get there. If price is not able to bounce from that zone, then you're gonna see price go back to the $2,000 per Bitcoin, or maybe lesser. However, I mentioned that whether we see price above 40,000 for Bitcoin, we can see Bitcoin go to 50K. So if Bitcoin is gonna do with this, like see Bitcoin go to about 43,500 up to 44,000, then these altcoins are gonna do so well. Now, another altcoin that I want us to look at before we dive more into Bitcoin analysis, I think is this coin. I didn't check on it all day. All day is the guy. Actually, if you see Bitcoin really is down like madly down, the next coin you can buy is Audi. Just buy Audi. You don't need to check if you have to buy Audi or not. Buy Audi or buy stats or buy stacks. Yeah. Now Audi is Bitcoin inscription stuff, like Ordinals, all this stuff, like on the Bitcoin blockchain. They're building like an NFT platform on the Bitcoin ecosystem. Right, and the price of Audi has to be reflecting the price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin has been moving like drastically, Audi has been doing the same, like recent this year, for that matter. That's why I think Audi is gonna be a huge buy for this week. And one of the reasons why I say so is looking at this, this divergence here, and this one is pretty clear. It's pretty clear. It's just obvious that this is gonna be an awesome moment, like this week for Audi. We can see Audi go back to, let's say, I don't know, maybe $100, something like that. Yeah, we can see that happen. Right, so it's up to you guys to decide what you're buying. And guys, comment below which coin you want me to do analysis on, which coin you are holding. If you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed, you haven't yet maybe share this content with your friends, invite your friends who have questions about crypto. They should come and ask. Those who have questions about different projects, if you guys are like having a disagreement, if this coin can form or it's good, bring them here. Let's analyze the coin and decide together what holds with the coin. There's so much we can talk about here. So guys, if you're watching, do let me know which coin you have that you want me to do. I can see Penwilla says let's check ICP. Okay, let's go to ICP. ICP also, guys, is one of my coins that I'm trading. And if you want to add to the list, then add it to the list. Looking at the 4 hours time frame, I just look at this right now and I think this is a buy. ICP actually right now it's just moved 2%. So I think ICP is gonna be pumping soon. Like you can see this. I think ICP is a buy, but I'm not. If I'm you, let me see what we should do. Let me bring the alpha trend, and also let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what's happening here with this bad boy. Okay, this coin is just breaking this area, so I think this is what's gonna happen, and you should wait for it to happen because we have already break that zone right now. So this is the scenario I think can play could play out with ICP. Price is gonna do this, get to that zone like $13, then come back. Let me get to $13. Yes, then come back. If the price hit that the BETONG moving average, then that's when you wanna buy. Price hits that area where the video candles are, that's where you want to buy. So let's just allow this here, and maybe the take profit will gonna be this area here. No, at 13,000, not 30,000, $13 or maybe $14. Right, that's gonna be the 50-minute time frame. But if we look at this on the, let's see, on the 4 hours time frame, let's zoom this. I think my target, if I'm gonna buy this, right, my target is gonna be about $14. Yeah, $14. And if say price break $14, I'm gonna wait for price to retrace back. I think if I'm buying this coin, yeah, I'm not gonna sell it. If it comes here, I'm gonna buy more. It comes down, I'm gonna be happy and buy more. I know the upside for this coin is amazing, right? It's so amazing. Yeah, so let's go back to the big daddy. Let's focus now our analysis solely on Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing right now. The price of Bitcoin. This is the big daddy, Bitcoin, on the 50-minute time frame. Let's begin with the analysis on the daily time frame. Let's see what is going on here, guys. You can see here on this. Let me zoom this a little bit so we can see properly. I have so much on my chart, so I want you guys to see. Now you can see, guys, here we made this. I think this could be like, this can be more of, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I think, like I mentioned, that this is the area where we can expect price to get to. But now looking at the fact that this hammer here, this green vector candle that is represented like a hammer, is more of, to me, a reversal. Like if I look at the Trendillo, you can see it happened when the Trendillo printed this shadow area here. You can see here, this area here. And to me, that's very important. Whenever I see price reset and price is holding this zone, no price break and price, like we saw this buyback, and it wasn't exactly in the area that I wanted. Let me see. I think it was there. Yeah, it wasn't like exactly, but it was just close. I think the reset has happened already. Some people might be thinking, okay, they are waiting for price to get to $55,000. I think, guys, we have seen the reset, and because we have seen the reset, I think price can make its way back towards this $38,000, and then we're gonna see rejection again from there. But now I think these moving averages are gonna make their way back there, like back to the upside, like we set back to the upside, then price will bounce from there. Or if we are seeing a quick dip for Bitcoin, it wouldn't be that significant. Maybe Bitcoin can get to 40K, then play around again, then before this moving average are gonna come closer, right? And looking also, if I zoom closer, I can see that price is above, the 5-day moving average and the 13-day moving average on the daily time frame, and price have crisscrossed. You can see, wow, everything has crisscrossed, meaning we should expect a huge spike of Bitcoin to $46,000. Wow, guys, this is a new info that I'm looking at right now. So I'm even more bullish with those altcoins, guys. I'm more bullish. Now, let me look at this also on this area. Like, let me pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top here to the bottom here. Let me see where we are. Oh boy, guys, we are above this this zone here, this 0.382. We are above this zone. That's yeah. Oh boy, guys, I think the next zone we're gonna see price get to is around 44,005, like 45,000. I think 45,000. It's gonna be the area. Like if price break 45,000, guys, we are seeing 50,000 Bitcoin. Yes, we're gonna see that. We see, because you can see, looking at the fundamental retracement, this is the golden pocket. From, like, if say price have to retrace back from the bottom, from, I mean on the bottom, I mean where, like this area, yeah. If we have to get back there, like recovers, then that's gonna be the area. If say price break, it's gonna become, like it's gonna be, when price get there, it's gonna be resistance. If price break it, it becomes support. And if price keep trading up, like above it, then we expect a spike to 50K Bitcoin. Oh boy. So I think this is gonna be a scenario where we're gonna see this happen anyways. And yeah. I've already done Luna. I've already done Luna. Let's look at Chirpley. Yasmi. You talk of Yasmi. I want to look at Yasmi after this, like Bitcoin analysis. But guys, what do you think? I rely my trading so much on Bitcoin. My short term, I focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin, like the majority of the market, moves with Bitcoin. So it's really obvious that I should focus my TA on Bitcoin to make more profit. And if I'm holding Bitcoin, then I can switch, buy most of this coin that have plunged downward. Like today alone, I got ApeCoin, I got all day. I haven't gotten Chirpley. Let me see, Solana. We're gonna check on Solana also. But let's look at Yasmi. Let's look at Yasmi. Then we're gonna come back to Bitcoin. Yasmi. Yasmi. Okay. Yasmi looks bullish on a daily time frame. But I think, let me see, guys. Let's just let me pull this here for the virtual retracement tool. Yeah. Let's see if Yasmi has gotten to that zone. So obviously this was gonna be a target. Guys, whenever you see price doing this, let me educate you guys on something. These tools are free. It's free. You come here on TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, make sure you go have TradingView. You come on the daily time frame. If you see dips like this, going on in the market, right? Let's say, for example, this was the dip that happened. Then price went back up, right? Then we saw this dip again. This is gonna like the dip started here. Usually when you see this first huge week like that, price will always go right down that week to where like that week ended. You can see price get there and price have to trade above that week to prove that that was the area where the sell off is gonna end, right? From like on the daily time frame, right? So you would have pulled the Fenerbahce retracement tool. Let me just do this. So you see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see you put the FEP, this first one, a market start, the FIP retracement. Click on it. You take it from the top to let's just take it to where this area right here, so we can make a point. Now you see, I'm gonna ignore these zones here. I'm gonna focus on that alone. So you can see here that drawing this from this area here, of course I'm gonna go back there, but drawing this from this area here, or looking at this last area, it can already give you the area where price could have retraced to. So if you see price doing this, something like this, you have already known that price will get to this first zone here. It might not happen instantly, but so far as you keep drawing this Fenerbahce to on the daily time frame, like if price keep going down, you keep drawing it, you're adding to your portfolio, you're buying more, price will get back there. And when price get back there, guys, you are gonna be in profit. Trust me, no doubt about it, right? And if say you have been, let's say, holding Bitcoin, and you see something like this happen, wow, you will have an opportunity to keep buying, and when price get back there, sell. knowing that we're gonna see retracement, and if say price is able to like hold these zones, above these moving averages, that's when you wanna like say, okay, let me see if I can get in again and drive price back to the upside. So these are the different scenarios where you can say, you can look at price, you can check on what is going on, and then you decide if say you're gonna do it or not. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be here with you for some time, so give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna be back. Those who are gonna be here, I'm gonna be there with them. I think I'm already here for 5 minutes. I'm gonna be here for some time. Let's say I have 30 minutes more. So let's give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna be back. Yes, guys, I'm back. Okay, we are on Yasmin. This is Yasmin on the daily time frame. Looking at the fact that price is above the the 5 day moving average and also prices above the 13-day moving average. I think maybe we should like expect more upside to this golden pocket here, which is gonna be at 0.618. So that's gonna be the golden pocket or around 0.65. So maybe we can see this retracement go back and next if say price gonna hold above this moving average, this 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, then above the alpha trend, which is where price is right now, then we can expect price to move further for Yasmin to around 0.000660. So that's the play for Yasmin. So let's look at the lower time frame. What's going on here with Yasmin on the this is the 4 hours time frame right now. And looking at the 4 hours time frame, let's zoom this. You can see this vector candles here, this green vector, this blue vector candles here. This is good, right? If I see a vector candle like this and it's like a hammer, so the next thing we're gonna expect price to do is, well, not like really a hammer, it's an indecisive candle, right? Just but after that we have seen this making price moving more to the upside, right? But one thing I'm concerned where we are right now is that the Trendillo is already showing over bought here, so maybe we can see some sort of recovery, a little bit downward, then maybe pump to the upside, or we can see price maybe like move around here. But I think overall we can see Yasmi get to this zone first, this 0.005 or 6 0.006 or 0.0058, before maybe keep on going back to the upside, right? But that's the area where I see Yasmin, like price going towards with Yasmin. Okay, let's get back to the big daddy and let's look at the big daddy on the lower time frame. Let's see what is going here with Bitcoin on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, this is the 4 hours time frame for Bitcoin. I drew this volume profile here. Let me make this a little bit so you can see. I've been trying, guys. Sorry, my chart looks so messy. I do this because I want to get every details. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame and this multiple area of interest here. You can see price is above the alpha trend, and the alpha trend is printed a buy signal, and price keeps being above the alpha trend and price keep being above this area here, this red line in the middle, which is the POC right now. I think that we can see price move right up to where I mentioned first, 33,500, before we can see price like skyrocket to about 44,000, then 45,000. So Bitcoin on the lower time frame is the same scenario. Let's look at this on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I think Bitcoin again still look bullish. Yeah, Bitcoin look bullish, guys, on these time frames. But my only concern for Bitcoin is the fact that Bitcoin is price is still below this zone here, like below the BETONG moving average. If price makes its way to the BETONG moving average above, price come back to retest this, on the 15 minutes time frame, then guys, we want to get all in altcoins. So let's just wait and see what price will do. But I think this 800-day moving average is like making its way to the upside, so we might see price come back, kiss it, then keep moving back to the upside. But whatever the case is, I think Bitcoin looks bullish to me, right? So yeah, guys, Bitcoin look bullish. Another coin I want you guys to look at is Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Actually, Ethereum, the upside for Ethereum is pretty clear. I think Ethereum is gonna go up. Like, yeah, Ethereum will go up, guys. I'm just seeing this like an area of interest for Ethereum, this zone here. Provided Ethereum is below this zone, we should be concerned. But I think Ethereum is gonna hold this area, yeah, for a long time, and it's gonna depend on what will happen with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is gonna do that, like do what I just mentioned, then Ethereum is gonna do what I mentioned. I think that was some days back. Price is gonna get back up here. They're gonna see a spike up there. Then we trace it a little bit. Then maybe pump back to around 2,500. So we're gonna see Ethereum go to 2,500. That's my prediction for Ethereum. Right now price is somehow playing around the point of control for Ethereum. So Ethereum looks good. I think it looks good. And if say Bitcoin is gonna make its way to 43,500 or 44,000, then Ethereum is gonna go to about $2,500 per Ethereum. So you want to keep your eyes on all these coins that are on Ethereum ecosystems. They're gonna pump. They will pump, guys. I mentioned about ICP. You see, ICP. I've just done this. Let's just check on ICP right now again and see. Like during the stream, it has just get to 13,000. But this is the area, the target for me for ICP. The price will come back there, kiss this zone. But this, we can expect this if like this to happen like instantly, like maybe during the stream or after the stream. Then this is gonna play out. We're gonna see this retracement back. Then price move back to the upside. But you can see for this vector candles here, forming here. If I would have seen this, I would have placed a buy order here. Stop loss just pretty below this zone here. So I think ICP looks good. Now, Quant is also a coin that you should look at. Like with Quant, I don't want to do any TA because if I look at the daily time frame for Quant, you just tell me buy. Look at this spike, the upside. This was, you can see, guys, first level 1, level 2, level 3 was to trap investors. Now price came back to this area where the breakout started. And if you actually, I always love to say this, if you actually watch my show, I always say this: the pullback is the area where you want to always get in. And this is like, if you want to be sure of the fact that where you're getting in is the right area, then wait for price to maybe come back to this area. Yeah, price can do that. That's going to be at $96. That's going to be the value area low. Looking at the volume profile, let me just do this, guys. Well, I think I'm going to do this again. Let me bring the volume profile, take it from the bottom. Yeah, let me call this the bottom. Yeah, from where price started, then to the top, right? Let me take it from here to the top. Yeah. So let's see what we got here. So I think price can get to this value area low. It's gonna be at around 95 or $95 per QNT. And if that's the case, I'm gonna buy the hell out of this coin again. But now I got some of this coin already, this QNT. And the reason why I got it is because of this area. The price is around this zone here, and I think maybe this could be an area where the price is gonna form this trend line that is gonna be respecting right up to the next all-time high for this coin. I think this coin already made the next all-time high. I don't know, maybe, yeah. But looking at this spike, yeah, boom, it came back and retest, boom, came back and retest, boom. It has come back, yeah. and it's up. It has kissed this moving average, the BETONG moving average. So the area I should expect price to go to is go back and retest this area here, this $1 to $27 price point. So that's the area where I think you can expect price to go before maybe retrace back to 119, then make its way back to $156 or $200 for this coin, or maybe $300 per quant. So you can literally make some quick gains with quants anytime from now. Let's look at the last one, Solana. I'm already getting tired. Solana, looking at the daily time frame, it looks bullish. You're just playing the same game with Bitcoin. You can see, this reset here, and price is just holding there, moving sideways. This is 50-50. Price can go either direction. We're just gonna see, like, wait and see what price will do. But if I zoom out a little bit, you can see that price above this 5-day moving average. No, price is above the 13-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, which is good, right? And look at where this 200-day moving average is far away, and so for Solana, I think it will take some time for price to actually get there, except something drastically is happening in the market. You can see price has bounced from this POC above. So if price keep being above this area, then we should favor a buy, a buy for this coin. But provided you see the Trendilo, let's look at the Trendilo. Trendilo, yeah, it has crossed above this 0.00 area, and it's above the alpha trend. The alpha trend has put the buy signal here above the POC, guys. This is a buy for Solana. It's a buy. I'm gonna, get some. So after this, I have some already. Okay, guys, this is it for today. I feel so tired already, and it was awesome to have some of you guys here stay with me. I know this is not the usual stream, like, when I come here, I do about, let's say, 30 minutes. Today is just more than 1 hour. I had to go through most of these coins that we are holding and give you guys opportunity to share as well, so I can give you guys the alphas of this week. So make sure you watch this show again. If say you didn't understand some stuff, and I didn't just show you guys like what I'm buying, what I'm doing. I've also shown you guys, the reason why I'm buying most of these coins, why I'm doing these, the different areas of interest, that you can also take advantage of. You can do TA, you use the BETONG indicator, the BETONG moving average is free. I've shown you guys a couple of times on how to get it. You want to trade, all these coins that I'm trading, you can go and do this on Bybit, or OKX, the link I found below this video. And guys, you can be part of my community, join my Telegram group. There I share stuff. So subscribe to my channel and be part of my Twitter. All these are ways to be closer to me, so that whenever I do something, you're gonna get it right. You're gonna be informed, be notified. It's awesome. I can see that Trade Intuition says smash the like button. Yeah, also he said with the first time here, looking forward to your live stream also. So yeah, subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. I'm gonna be praying or hoping to have more of you here every now and then. It encourage me to come here, be with you guys, hang out, and we do TA together. We look at the coins that we love, look at the coins that are making trend in the market. We wait for pullbacks, we buy, we take our profit, we enjoy ourselves. There's so much money to be made in this market. We don't have to play the game of the whales, but we have to follow. We can follow the whales of those who have so much money. I'm talking about billions, trillions of dollars. There are people who have so much money. The market makers, they move the market, and they want to trap retail investors like you and I. We don't have so much money. We just have little money that we are playing around in the market and want to make some gains to take care of ourselves and families, make a living from this market. So we have to be careful the way we play around. We put set trade, how much we were willing to lose. Like you saw me, I placed a trade here, and I told you guys what's gonna happen. Let's just see the outcome of this trade. What's going on with this trade? Before I go, let's see, guys, what is going on with this trade. Let's see. What's going on with this trade? Oh boy, you can see this spike up. Okay, this is gonna be an area of interest. Yeah, price is not able to hold this zone. Yeah, and price is making its way back. Okay, I'm just gonna keep holding the trades, and see what happens if price is not able to hold this area. Remember, guys, I mentioned that price should not come below here. If it does, then boom, game over. All right, that's it, guys, and enjoy yourself. See you guys tomorrow, normal time. That's gonna be 14:30 Swedish time. That's 2:30 Swedish time. GMT +2, I think, something like that. So, yeah, join me. Maybe I should be taking this such trade. I think I should be playing with this money. Let's see how it can take me to go. How far on Bybit? Yeah, let's see. All right, guys, you can see this. Let's go and check this again tomorrow.